Sleek steel design. Sturdy wires wrap around the caddy to enclose your favorite hairstyling essentials. The looped blow dryer holder fits hair dryer barrels up to 2 in diameter. Also holds curling wands and flat irons. Utilize empty cabinet space. Use the inside of your cabinet doors for hair care storage. Simply slide the brackets over the cabinet door, then stow your hot hair styling tools inside the cabinet in otherwise unused space. Easy access to styling tools. Ensure your styling tools are easily accessible by storing them handle side up. Make it easy to grab your blow dryer easily for a quick styling session before work or school. Protect bathroom counters. Rest hot tools in the organizer to protect bathroom counters. Prevent burns to your bathroom countertop by using this heat-resistant steel organizer to hold hot styling tools. Avoid installation. Add extra storage without all the hardware. Padded brackets slide easily over cabinet doors for quick, no-fuss installation. No tools required. Perfect for apartments, rental homes, or RVs. Dimensions care, 6L x 5W by 10.25H. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth and towel dry. Cabinet shelves may obstruct cabinet door from properly closing when item is used. Please measure in advance of purchase. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my needs. Great for my hairdryer. I have on the wall by my vanity in my room. I do wish it had a little hook to wrap the cord when not in use. I do wrap it up by hand and loop the cord at the bottom where the silver knob is. It does the trick. Easy to mount, comes with screws. Now if they made a smaller one for my flat iron that would be amazing.